Everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today I'm going to be making cumin rice. I've had a lot of people requesting this recipe, finally got to it. And I'm also going to be doing a curry today, which is the dal curry or lentil curry. Make sure you watch that. If you want to know how to make this, let's go ahead and see what we're going to need and discuss all the cumin rice. We are going to need 2 cups of rice that I've washed. I haven't soaked it, I've just washed it. You want to wash it enough where you take out all the white cloudy stuff that comes in the water. Then we're going to need 3 cups of water here. We're going to do salt to taste, about a teaspoon. I'm doing 2 red dried chili peppers. I'm doing about half a stick of cinnamon. And I've got some bay leaves here, that about 4 or 5 bay leaves. And I've got a tablespoon of cumin. And I'm adding a tablespoon because it is cumin rice. So let's get started. I'll show you how we're going to do this. So you see here, the water has come to a boil. I'm going to let this boil just for about a minute or so. I'm going to cover it. We're going to lower the heat, and then we're just going to wait until all the water disappears for about 7 to 8 minutes, and our rice should be cooked completely. So our rice is completely done. It took about 8 minutes, and now I'm just fluffing it up really nice, and I'm going to put it in a serving bowl and show you what it looks like. So our cumin rice is done. The house smells amazing. We're gonna have it with the yellow dal curry. I'll put up a link above so for you to watch that. And I'm super excited to give this a try. The salt is really great. It's not super salty because the curry has salt in it too and spices. But it's such a the smell or the aroma that's coming out of this rice is amazing. Super delicious. The cumin tastes so good in this recipe. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, share this video, help me get to 100,000 subscribers. There's a button right there, it shows a bell. Click that so you get all notifications for all the videos that are uploaded. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then, friends.